How to download and install free antivirus on PC. Open your browser and go to Google Search. In the search bar, type Avast free antivirus and press enter. Click on the first result, which will take you to Avast's official website. Now, click on Download to get the setup file. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. Now, open Avast and let's run a quick scan to check your PC for threats. Click on Run as Scan and let Avast scan your computer. And that's it. Your PC is now protected. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.